Hello horror fans, Ranting Robb here, and today we're revving up to discuss the 1974 classic, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oh yeah! So buckle up, because this one's gonna be a hell of a ride. Directed by Tobe Hooper, this film introduces us to Leatherface, the guy who makes your neighbor with the loud lawnmower seem like a saint. Leatherface and his family of cannibals are the ultimate bad neighbors. What makes this movie stand out? It's the gritty, documentary-style camera work and the relentless tension. Leatherface's chainsaw ain't just for cutting wood, folks. It's for cutting, well, you'll see.